Fwambo to kod weg ute fwambo Media Council of Kenya e pacho ka koro yiere mar biro keto kokgi mar neno ni koro wache jofwambo gitiego mondo kabiro lando wach mano mar yiero kata campaigns ma bende itimo pacho ka motelo yiero ma higa manyien koro tim e yorno makare. E fwambo marwa Sophie Sao ne nitiere e gwengego kendo ne miwa report e yo machalo kamae.
Duol no ero oketo chike mabiro konyo tayo jofwambo kod ute fwambo kaka owinjore gi chwal kata gindiki e wi yiero maduong' mabiro timore pacho ka e higa manyien e yorno ero ma ok odhi ataro mar arita kwe ma pacho ka. Kane giloso e kinde ma bende ne gitimo twak kod jofwambo e boma ma Kisumu odiochieng' ma kawuono, duol no ero kotelnegi kod jakomgi Migosi Maina Muiruri oyango ni chike go eko oketi mar keto pogruok e kind siasa to kod fwambo.
The guidelines don't carry the weight of enforceability, yet but they carry the spirit of the way the industry should go. As our KEG president has said, it demarcates, it helps to demarcate the line between politics and journalism. Once everybody has it, once every media house gets it, you have in your hand something that gives you the basis to lay down the guidelines maybe in your policy. Media houses have internal policies. Further will come from these guidelines in election coverage to put into your policy. You may find that one company will say, we can let them come back after they fail to win an election.
Toko machielo jakanyo mar riwruok mar Kenya Editors Guild Migosi Chachil Otieno okwayo editors mag ute fwambo mondo riwre parachiel mar keto lwasi maber ne jofwambo e seche mabende gikale okenge matek e lwet jomoko madwaro dhi ataro mar arita kwe e pacho ka.
We cannot report this election effectively unless we have realistic and useful access to relevant information. We've had discussions with IEBC, we've gotten some promises from them, but the election is not just about IEBC, it's also about many, many other entities of government. But access is also about protection of our journalists, especially in the counties. I think we must not tire in making sure that the younger professionals, many of whom operate alone in far-flung places, find security in our various entities, be it the Correspondents Association, be it the union, be it the owners. But we also know that sometimes this access is messed up by the powerful amongst ourselves, because we have to chase after revenues, and other times we have to chase after our own interests. We know that there are media owners who sometimes take fairly public, partisan positions.
Mikae Judy Mwanyinyi bende ojiwo jofwambo mondo otim chenro margi kaluwore kod chike mag fwambo ni mar gin kod teko mar nyayo kata ketho kwe e kind oganda ma pacho ka.
Would ask that the media remain ethical and cautious as we go into election reporting. I think it's very important for the media to recognize that they are very powerful, and you can use your power and your influence to build up and to destroy. So our prayer, of course, is that you use it to build up. These guidelines are useful for capacity building for our journalists and are in accordance with the existing code of conduct. These guidelines are a self-regulation tool, and because they are industry generated, we expect that compliance will be high. The ministry, of course, is very happy to see the collaboration between the Media Council and stakeholders, and this is a demonstration of what public participation really is.
Ne Lolwe TV kowuok e kaunti ma Kisumu,